Alrighty, we have 𝗧𝒊𝒂𝒍𝒊𝒔𝒕 here. 𝗧𝒊𝒂𝒍, tell me why you're here.
My hair is starting to go gray. It's mostly in the front of my hair. My hair is really dark, but it's starting to lighten up. I had like a lot of past dye jobs that kind of lightened my hair a little bit. It's pulling really warm, so you do have this weird bands of like semi-permanent dye. It's like just a bunch of different colors. I just want it to be more uniform and neutral instead of just this one brassy weird color situation.
Okay. Do you like your color that's here right now? Like, do you want me to touch this, or do you want me to leave that alone and blend everything to that?
I do like it. I like that it's lighter in the front. I kind of have grays towards the back too. Like that, I just want less maintenance overall and it to be like more uniform and color.
Okay. And do you have any pictures of like what your goal would be?
I kind of have this like 𝗧𝗢𝗡 kind of like I'd like to look like Draco Malfoy, something where she has the blonde and.
At first, I thought she said Draco. Like, no, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, no, she's a bi.
Yes, she is.
It has like the and you're light in the. I didn't like.
Okay.
I can kind of show you stuff. I definitely have been thinking about it, but something a little bit like.
Are you trying to do? And are you working out here? Is it too hot upstairs? Or you were doing a retouch up?
Just doing my.
She's like hang out there. She out there all the she on vacation time.
Oh wow! But that's really dark.
Yeah, I'm confused. Well,
Wait. Oh, it's like color blocking kind of. Like you want like the blonde.
it concentrated in the front where like most of my like whiteness is, but like maybe like if there are like slate highlights in the back, that would be okay too. I don't necessarily want it like this extreme, but like I think since all of my grays are like kind of towards the front, and have like a couple on the back, but it's mostly like my temples, like it would be okay if most of the concentrated like whiteness was in front.
Okay. Kind of like a money piece.
That's what my project specialist said. It's like she's like, "Do you know money piece?" I was like, "I don't know what that is, but I will ask."
Okay. All right, guys. I have 𝗧𝒊𝒂𝒍𝒊𝒔𝒕 here, and we are going to do a great blending, but mostly we're going to have to get rid of this patch so that she has a prettier grow out and get rid of a lot of this warm brassy color, all right? If you guys don't know me, my name is 𝗬𝗓 Fazal. I own Tone Hair Salon in Raleigh, North Carolina. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and follow me on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook, 𝗬𝗓 Fazal. So the first thing we're going to do, you want to turn around? Look at her. She's so pretty. She's got these really pretty blue eyes. Really, honestly, that being said, she belongs more in the ashy, cool center of things, right? Because look at her hair, you got it down. She's got some gray silver roots, and she's got a real like brown, but she's got this like reddish, brassy color that just doesn't go with her skin tone or her eye color. So today, we're gonna start off with doing a couple color removers, and then we're gonna go with some highlights. All right, let's get started.
Okay.
All right.
Honey, I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee. Honey, I got what you need. Under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me lies now, I always get mine. Don't play with me. Do you want it? Can't feel me? No, can't handle it? Right? Do you want it?
All right, first things first. I use CPR, okay, CPR, and then we're gonna use the Malibu Crystal Gel, And then I think we're gonna do the DDL. I'm not 100% sure yet. That is the trick about color corrections. You just kind of never know yet until you're in the process. So that is my starting.
We could take it to the stars where you wanna go. The things that we can do don't need to prove you know. Honey, I got what you want. Yeah, under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me no lies. I always get mine. Don't play with me. So do you want it?
Hello. Beautiful. All right, we're using a little mix of 881 and 903. So it is now 5:15. We've been working on her since 11:15. So it's about 6 hours. But I'm really happy. So we're just going to tone her and then style her for you guys. Also, I took out my extensions and washed my hair during that time. And it's raining. So welcome to that. It was hot as hell. And now it's raining.
Honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need.
Yeah, look at that. One session, baby. One beautiful session. Making sure that you're gentle with the hair and put this out and really kind of decide like where she wants to go from here, because it's gonna blend right into her roots. If you notice, her roots are still there. Her gray is still there, but she doesn't have that line of demarcation anymore. And she certainly doesn't have that where that dark band was. That's Tone Hair Salon. Make sure you subscribe and follow me everywhere else. TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Not too shabby, my friends. And look how her eyes pop. And now you can see that little gold flecks in her eyes. I swear, man, hair color just, look at her skin tone. She looks like a completely different person in the best type of way.
Yes. Show the back and bump it if you
Turn
want.
for me. All right, we got rid of that huge line that was there, you know, as best as we could. Obviously, you know, there's still gonna be a little warmth, so leave me alone. But her hair is so smooth, no breakage. And, you know, again, you have to do those color removers. And then perfectly placed highlights.
Yes, ma'am.